So hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can earn 10 million or above Tron from this unique concept, that is Tron Matrix, which is really better than Forces. Definitely this is the dead plan of Forces, and you can earn unlimited Tron from this one. So what you need to do, you must need having Tron wallet app in your mobile or using Tron link from your laptop or desktop. There must be 700 Tron or above that, because some more you need as a fees. So you need 705 Tron, okay friend, in your wallet. After now I'm going to tell you how you have to activate your ID and being the part of the 2% of the dividend, and how you can earn from a spillover. So simply just click on this tab browser, whatever the link you are having from the description, you can just paste over here and click on go. As you click over here, you would redirect into the blockchain of Tron, and your ID would be entered in Tron Matrix. So this is Tron Matrix, friend, the fast, easy and risk-free way to multiply your TRX infinitely. So friend, what you need to do, you can download their guideline, connect wallet to start here, and this is Tron Matrix players online. They are going to be live day by day. Tron Matrix active 1 days, total players 815, and it has started the day before yesterday only. ETH Matrix active 32 days and total players 12,612, and total Tron fans they are having 1,39,000, 19,13,100 TRX, and equivalent Ethereum 141, equivalent BTC 3, and USD you can get it, friend. You can also visit their smart contract, friend, directly clicking over here. So let me show you their smart contract live view. So as you know, we are now entering in their blockchain, so you can exit check and see the transaction. This is the similar to Etherscan, and as they are having Tron scan. This is, you can check it out, friend. 11,814 balance, 41 balance here, because of the distribution to all one, because it is a crowd sharing plan, and you can see the transactions going to be per minute and per second over here, and this plan is going to really awesome, friend. Click over this contract and you can check it out. The contract is perfect mess, and it has been each and every source code. So let's again enter to that one and start how to start your ID. So let me connect my wallet, friend, play Ether. And one thing more, in this concept you can also join with Ether as well as Tron. So I am picking here Tron because of too much gas fees in Ether here, so I don't like there. Now I am entering to Tron project. Basically in the last time I joined, you can also join their Telegram. I would not like to take more time to you guys, so let's directly get it in the concept and connect to the wallet. Okay, as soon as I connect, my balance would be distributed over here, and you can see 700 TRX register you into both X3 and X6 matrix, TRX 350 to each. Okay, so I would be entered in both of the matrix X3 and X6. So you need minimum 700 TRX, friend, remember. And now I am going to activate my ID So let's click over here. As soon as I click over the registration, this is the cost, and I would confirm. So let me confirm now. As well as I confirm, taking my password, and now it is proceeding, and after some time it would proceed. And friend, yeah, my has been joined, a new player has been joined here, and you can see that this is my referral link, and my X3 distribution started. This one you can see here, and this is the next one is taking for the 700, because this is the first one, and now this would also redirect to next one, that is level X6. It would also next one. So friends, you can also proceed like that one. That is really awesome and global concept, and the best thing is this one, because this is giving you a great chance and saving your huge gas fees in Ethereum. That's why I would like to show you that use this one. ID number is my 815 friend, and you can definitely use my this one, because it is going to be too much referrals, and you would also have some more. You can also buy your VIP name, and this is the address. And now let's get started with the plan, but I would tell you in the next video the full plan, because the video would be very big friend, and it could not take more interest by the listeners or audience, you know friend. So never miss this biggie friend. This is really awesome, and only one day has started, and going to be very hype. They started initially in Ethereum, and now they have launched in TRX. So it is good one, because the people are switching from ETH to TRX due to gas fees, much gas fees for every transaction, and here only 5. So now you can see each and everything friend. Let me copy my this referral link, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, right friend? And also if you want to connect, you can connect directly, and this is the similar concept to Forces, but better than that in the dividend and pool income, because in Forces you cannot get passive income if you are coming in the last and in the bottom structure, but from here you can earn unlimited spillover as well as dividends, 2% of the dividends from each and every ID. So must watch my next video for the full plan. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe.